officially summer, or at least for me. It's still May, but you know, if I want to complete everything that is on my summer bucket list and make my summer Pinterest board a reality, then we need to start now. So today we are going to be doing, I want to do like the little braided bracelets, like the little friendship bracelets. I've never done those before, and I have a bunch of like the thread for that, and so I want to do that. I want to read a lot today. I want to read outside. I want to go outside. I want to play outside. I want to go on walks. I want to sunbathe. I want to do lots of crafts this year. This year's gonna be a crafty girl outdoor summer. And I want to bake. I want to bake a lot. I want to cook. And I think this morning we're going to make waffles with our little waffle maker, and then maybe add some berries inside the batter. I think that could be really fun. And maybe sprinkles. We have sprinkles, and I'm like, you know, a girl just wants sprinkles in her waffles. That's all. And then maybe do like an iced coffee or iced matcha. So that way he's still able to communicate right now while he's struggling.
This is the box. Here, should I get this? The iced tea. The little perfume. Oh, please.
Okay, let me give you our little Hobby Lobby haul. So we got a big thing, and we got this. It's a little seaside house. I don't know if it's going to fit the big calico critters, but I know it should fit the tiny baby ones, and so I don't know if we're gonna build this today because I kind of wanted to paint and craft a little bit, but we're definitely gonna be doing this tomorrow, by tomorrow. And then in our bag we got 2 mini brands. Then we got, it's just in my bin, some paint for the craft that we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna need paint. We're gonna need a lot of pink paint too. Mod Podge. And then these are so cute for the calico critters. I'm so excited to get them. They should be coming today. And then just like the little booklet things they have over there all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and get some scissors so we can open. Ooh, this will be fun. So this is the home one. Our first one is oh, books. Oh, it's magazines. Okay. These little is, oh, these are too cute. A carton of eggs. And they close and they, oh, these little measuring cup. Is fill the fridge. I think I'm getting something like that. That's me good hand. One. Hershey's. The tiny. What's this? A turmeric shot. Oh. Eggplant. Lamb chops. That's crazy. They're literally gonna be animals and they have lamb chops. So I think they have a sheep. Which is Baskin Robbins. Oh, she's a cake. Crazy. Look at that. And these are all the things that we could have gotten. It is officially the next day. It is about 1 o'clock, if you can see that on my little Hello Kitty alarm clock. But it's about 1 o'clock and we have a little bit of an update because I kind of just ditched you guys during the end of the day. But last night I went ahead and we made pasta, we made macaroni and cheese with my sister and we watched a movie, and then I actually had my calico critters come yesterday, and so we have the Dalmatian family, the mom, and I'm in love with their little pipe cleaner tails, the dad, and then the sister, and oh, she fell, the sister and the brother. Right now they're in their starter home. Okay, they're in their starter home, which is a little wooden house that I got off of Target. So they're in their starter home right now. She's very tiny. But we have an actual calico critter house coming this week, I believe. And so that'll be really fun to decorate. And we also have a lot of used furniture from Depop that is also supposed to be coming sometime. It hasn't shipped yet, but it should be coming, hopefully. They don't cancel it, because that would be very sad, because it came with a bunch of furniture. It came with like beds, kitchen stuff, outdoor stuff, seating. I think it came with like a critter, and so that one sounds really worth it. But today I want to go on a walk because the weather is a little bit nicer. Yesterday was really cold and gloomy. Today is also cold, but a little bit less gloomy. And we need to bring Honey on a walk. So we're gonna go on a walk. We're going to finish the craft I got, which is the house. We started building it yesterday, which was so fun. We also did some friendship bracelet yesterday, which I think I did show you guys. We did some friendship bracelet making because I have a ton of thread for that, and so we finally started putting that to use. And it was okay. We did not follow the tutorial at all because I did with Chloe, my sister, and it just, we did not because we got so confused, and so we ended up just doing our own thing. But I did want to try and do a fishtail one today. So it didn't turn out bad. My first one did not turn out bad, okay? But it's a little bit rough in some patches. But it's better. And then I don't know if I did show you, but I got like these little pots and pans for my little critters. And so we have, there's like 4 of them. There's a tiny baby one. And then there's like a casserole one. A little one to fry an egg in. These are so cute. I remember my friend had these and I was obsessed with them. But now we have some, and so I can't wait until the house actually comes. We could actually decorate the house and everything, but I want to try and finish that craft house that I got today, like the beach house. I want to try and finish that today. And then we also did Dutch braids in our hair. I don't know if you can actually see. They're not too good, but they're not too bad either. Some people can like get them to like start up like up here. Mine don't. They start like forming like up here. You can kind of see up here, but they start like forming really down here. But that's fine. And then I want to finish my book because we're reading The Red Velvet Cupcake Murder, and we're almost done with her. We're kind of getting to the climax, and then I'll tell you how I liked it. So we're gonna do that today. I feel like that sounds like a very good plan for the rest of our day. It's so gloomy outside right now. I can't believe it. It's supposed to be summer. Okay, so basically what happened today, we spent 2 hours trying to build that house, and it's been going good. The glue at times is a little stressful because it gets all over your fingers, but it's been going good, and it's been keeping me busy and keeping me off my phone and making me do other things. Right now we're on a walk because we need it. And then after, when we get home, I'm gonna take care of my hair. We're gonna wash our hair. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning while we have something sitting on our scalp, and then I might do a hair mask, a little bit of stretching. I'm just gonna like take care of myself since I've been sitting down all day. And then we're gonna make something to eat. We have broccolis, fresh broccolis, so we're gonna make broccolis. And then we're just gonna go to bed. Oh, and I want to finish the rest of my book. So it's like 5:30, almost 6 o'clock right now. We'll see how that goes. We'll see if we'll be able to finish all of that. This, my favorite product. It'll be very nice. Heavy on to exfoliate myself. Very nice and nice and long.